So in this video, I'll be making one of the most famous pasta dishes in the world, the spaghetti carbonara. Today, there will be a square-off between the traditional Roman carbonara against the Western creamy carbonara. Now let's get straight into it. Now, in front of you, you'll see a chart with the ingredients of the differences between the two. First and foremost, we'll start off by making the traditional Roman carbonara. As you can see, nice and easy. It is made with only 5 simple high quality ingredients. So we have today dry spaghetti pasta, black pepper, 3 free range eggs, pecorino cheese, not parmesan, not mozzarella, not cheddar, it must be pecorino. And finally, the star of this dish is guanciale. Now, if you can't get guanciale, you cannot make the traditional carbonara, so Google it and try to find it within your location. Now first, start off by boiling water for the pasta whilst you prep the sauce. Make sure to salt the water. Start off by cutting the guanciale into cube pieces. Remove the pepper skin as this can create a bitter taste when cooked. Cook in a pan over a very low heat. Now remember, patience is key. Don't rush this step as you need to let the fat of the guanciale render slowly and not burn. There is no need for oil or salt as the guanciale is already fatty and salty on its own. Now when it is ready and golden brown, it will become more crispy. Turn off the heat, leave the meat and the oil on the pan, and the residual heat will take care of itself for now. The next step is to prepare the pecorino sauce. So in a mixing bowl, crack 3 eggs. 2 out of the 3 eggs remove the whites. The eggs must be free range. We do not want any unhealthy caged eggs in the sauce. The more yellow the egg yolk, the healthier it is, so don't stinge. Pay an extra $2 for that quality egg. The key to carbonara is high quality ingredients. Again, pecorino is the only cheese for carbonara. Don't try to mix it with parmesan, keep it simple, just pecorino and that's it. Now, add the pecorino cheese in a mixing bowl. Pecorino is very salty and creates beautiful cream sauce when mixed with the egg. The next step is to add some freshly ground black pepper. Scoop some of that beautiful guanciale fat from the pan and add it into the egg mix. The fat will give it a beautiful salty taste. Quickly mix it in with a fork until you have a creamy sauce which resembles hollandaise sauce. Now, if you are wondering what hollandaise sauce is, Google it. You'll find it on most breakfast brunches. Now, once this is done, you should have a nice thick and creamy sauce. Set it aside for now. At this stage, the water should be boiling. Add the dry spaghetti as per instructions. It should take approximately 8 or 9 minutes. Don't try to be fancy and use fresh pasta, as fresh pasta won't hold the egg sauce as well. Whilst cooking the pasta, make sure you stir the egg gently so it won't stick to the sides of the pots. Now, once the pasta is officially al dente, drain the pasta, add it directly to the pan with the guanciale, mixing it with the fat. Here you can turn on the pan at a medium heat, give it a good mix and give it a good stir. The next step is very important. You don't want to overcook or scramble your eggs. So to make it nice and easy, simply add the pasta and guanciale into the pecorino egg mix as seen and stir gently. The residual heat of the pasta will cook the eggs without any lumps. The starch, the pasta water shall mix it gently, and now you'll have this traditional beautiful carbonara mixture sauce. Now the next step is plating. Plating is very easy. Simply create a nest, add the guanciale on the top, grate some pecorino, crack some black pepper, and congratulations, you have now made yourself an authentic traditional Italian carbonara. Now the next dish is the creamy Western carbonara. As you can see, the ingredients are slightly different. So we have in this recipe today dry spaghetti pasta, garlic, basil, black pepper, double cream, butter, parmesan cheese, and finally the star of this dish is good old bacon. Now, the same as earlier, start off by boiling the pasta water whilst you prep the sauce. Now heat up the pan and add a teaspoon of butter in. Then add in the garlic and bacon, shake it around, let the two become friends and get to know each other. Now be sure to shake around the bacon so it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. The next step is to crack in some black pepper, which I forgot to record here. And once the bacon is crispy and golden brown, add in the cream. Let that come to the boil and turn the heat down. Now the next step is to crack some more black pepper and be sure to give it a good mix and a gentle stir. Now at this stage the pasta should be cooked and done. Drain this pasta, add this to the sauce and let the sauce get to know the pasta and give it a good mix. And congratulations, you have finally done it. You have made yourself the Western creamy bacon carbonara. Now the next step is plating. Very easy. Create a nest, throw in some parsley or basil as garnish, add some parmesan cheese on top, and if you like, crack some black pepper. Now thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. My dream is to one day make 10,000 subscribers, so hopefully you can all help me get there. And don't forget to click the notify button. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.